Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Porsche Cayenne spoiler, only way. Start by unlocking the vehicle with the key fob and standing behind the bumper to see the spoiler. Press the spoiler release on the infotainment or use the key fob spoiler function while the car is unlocked. Remain clear of the range of motion and watch the spoiler fully deploy before approaching it to avoid injury. Begin by placing the transmission in park and confirming the vehicle is unlocked. Next, access the spoiler control from the infotainment menu or press and hold the dedicated key fob spoiler button until you hear motor movement. Stand behind the vehicle to monitor deployment and visually confirm the spoiler reaches its full position. If the spoiler does not move, stop and consult vehicle fault messages rather than forcing the mechanism. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort and durability. I wear them when working on cars, and they save me from cold metal and greasy floors. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the spoiler does not deploy, first check basic electricals like the 12V battery and vehicle messages on the dash. Try locking and unlocking the car, and attempt the fob or infotainment command again. If there are fault codes or the spoiler still resists, do not attempt to pry or force it manually, because that can harm motors and linkage. Contact a qualified Porsche technician for a safe diagnostic and repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.